Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Samsung stock fonts such as Rosemary, Samsung Sans, Chococooky and Cooljazz. So let's start. First, open the settings. Now tap on Display. Select Font Size and Style. Now tap on Font Style. Now you can see that there are not many options here. So to download the Samsung stock fonts, tap on Download Fonts. Here you will see different types of fonts for your Samsung device. Now let's search for some Samsung stock fonts. I'll just search Cooljazz. Here you can see on the search result there are Samsung Sans, Chococooky and Rosemary. I have already downloaded Rosemary on my phone. So now I'll just download Cooljazz by tapping on the download button. And it takes a few moments to download the font. And now you can see Cooljazz is installed on my phone. So let's go back to the settings. And here you will see Cooljazz. Now I'll just select Cooljazz and the font of my phone changes. And that's how you download Samsung stock fonts on your Samsung device. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.